Hey everyone, welcome to episode 3 of our custom build project of our Polaris Ace XC900. In today's episode, we will be installing a CB radio from Rugged Radios, as well as various lighting products from Ridgid Industries. So let's get started. Being able to communicate out on the trails with your friends is definitely fun. Being able to communicate in an emergency situation is a must-have. For our communication needs, we turn to Rugged Radios. Installation is very simple. A quick hookup to the battery, along with running a wire through the vehicle for an antenna hookup. The instructions are very easy to follow, and for extra help, you can always contact Rugged Radios. We just completed the installation of various components from Ridgid Industries. But before we get into the individual installs, I'd like to take a moment and tell you why we chose Ridgid. We chose Ridgid because, first of all their products are easy to install, more durable over time, and all their products come with a lifetime warranty. As well as Ridgid offers a lighting solution for just about any vehicle. This is the dually side shooter, a compact, resistant, high-performance lighting pod. As far as installation, the kit comes with everything that you need. Simple wiring to the battery with a relay switch hookup. Instructions are clear and easy to follow. This is the Reflect product from Ridgid Industries. This not only illuminates the road ahead, but allows you to see what's behind. This is a unique product from Ridgid. It's basically a mirror with a LED lighting solution in the front. As far as installation goes, very simple hookup to the battery and you're all set to illuminate the trail ahead. The next product that we decided to install from Ridgid was the Rocklike Kit. This kit basically installs under the wheel well. These lights are a great addition for either night trail riding or illuminating the trails while rock crawling. Installation can be a bit time consuming as you have to wire each light individually and route them to one central controller. However, it's very simple to do, clear and precise instructions, and for more information, you can always visit Ridgid Industries. This is the Chase light from Ridgid, a multifunction light that performs various functions. 1, it will illuminate your cargo bed. 2, it has a light which is constantly on and meant for trail riding. 3, it has an added illumination feature when you depress your brakes. There's 2 options that we did not connect, was the strobe and the reverse. As far as installation goes, it's a simple hookup. The instructions provided by Ridgid clearly indicate which wires perform which functions. In this episode, we installed various lighting solutions along with a communication system. Don't miss our next episode where we will be installing from PRP seats, a custom seat, harness and door bags, as well as some awesome rims and tires from Wheel Pros. See you then.